Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Math Farah. I hope everyone is doing well during COVID-19. So today lesson is about order of operations. So our goal is apply the rules for order of operations. So there are 4 rules. Rule number 1 is perform the operation in the bracket first. Bracket first. So we have to perform the operation in bracket first. Rule number 2 is calculate the powers next. So calculate the powers next. And rule number 3 is divide and multiply from left to right. Rule number 3 is left to right. So we divide and multiply from left to right. And rule number 4 is add and subtract from left to right. Add and subtract from left to right. So these are our 4 rules. So rule number 1 is perform the operation in brackets first. Rule number 2, calculate the powers next. Rule number 3, divide and multiply next. Right to left, left to right. And rule number 4 is add and subtract from left to right. Good job. Now we will do some examples. Okay, so our first example is calculate the following examples. So 8 plus 12 divided by 4 minus 2. So what's our first rule is to perform the operation in bracket first. So we will solve these bracket first. 8 plus 12 is 20 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 2. So our answer is 2. Good job. Awesome. Next question is 6 plus 2 plus 5. So we will solve the bracket first. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 5 is 8 plus 5 is 13. So our answer is 13. Good. Awesome. 8. So next question 8 plus 12 divided by 4 minus 2. So we will solve our bracket first. So we will repeat the question G again. 8 plus 12 is So this time we will change little bit. 8 plus 12 is 20. Multiply 4 minus 2 is 2. So multiply 20 by 2 is 40. So good. So we will go this question again. It's very similar to question G, but instead of dividing we are doing multiplying these two numbers. So 8 plus 12 is 20. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 20 multiplied 2 is 40. Good job. Awesome. Next is 4 plus 3. 3 power of 2 multiply 2 minus 1. So what will we do? We will do our powers first. 4 plus 9 multiply 2 minus 1. So our next is we have to multiply. 4 plus 9 by 2 is 18 minus 1. So next is add. 4 plus 18 is 22 and then minus 1. So 22 minus 1 is 21. I hope everyone get it. So please like, share and subscribe my channel down below. So if you have any question you can ask in a comment box. And now we will move to our few more questions. Okay, so our next question is 4 plus 3 and power 2 multiply 2 minus 1. So we will solve the bracket first. 4 plus 3 is 7. Power 2 multiply 2 minus 1. So 7 power of 2 is 49. 7 multiply 7 is 49. 2 minus 1. Now next is we have to multiply these numbers. So 49 multiply 2 is 98 minus 1 and 98 minus 1 is 97. Excellent. Excellent. You did a great job. So once again we solve the bracket first, then powers, after that multiplication and then subtraction. Awesome. Great. So now move to the next question. Our next question is 4 plus 3 multiply 2 bracket and power 2 minus 1. So we will solve our brackets first. 4 plus 3 multiply 2 is 6. Power 2 minus 1. So next is solve the powers. So 4 plus 6 multiply 6 is 36 minus 1. So next is adding these two numbers. 40. 4 plus 36 is 40 minus 1. 40 minus 1 is 39. So our answer is 39. Awesome. Great. So what we did here, we solve our bracket first, then powers, addition and then subtraction. Excellent. Great job. Now move to our next question. So first we need to erase this part. So our next question is 4 plus 3 multiply 2 power of 2 minus 1. Good, great. So now solve the bracket first. 3 multiply 2 is 6, 2 minus 1. So this time there is a plus 1, okay? So 4 plus 36 plus 1. So 40 plus 1 is 41. So our answer is 41. Great. Awesome. So now move to the next question. So our next question is 8 plus 12 divided by 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. So first solve this brackets. 8 plus 12 is 20 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 10. So our answer is 10. Great. Move to the next question. And that's our last question. Okay. So our last question is 4 plus 3 power of 2 multiply 2 minus 1 in a bracket. So first we will solve our brackets. 2 multiply 1 is 1, and next is powers. 3 multiply 3 is 9, multiply 1. So now multiply 9 by 1 is 9, and 4 plus 9 is 13. So our answer is 13. So we are done our class for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.